The perfect hybrid of a point-of-sale system and a credit card terminal. Introducing the PayAnywhere SmartFlex. A stylish solution that allows you to accept payments in-store or on the go. The PayAnywhere SmartFlex comes equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen with Android software, a customer-facing touchscreen, an EMV chip card and magstripe reader, NFC contactless, PIN debit, front and back cameras for easy barcode scanning, thermal printer, charging dock, and accessory hub for an ideal countertop setup, a hand strap for easy mobility, 4G and Wi-Fi connectivity, and the feature-rich PayAnywhere app. At last, there's a flexible solution that's the perfect combo of a smart terminal and a full point-of-sale system. The PayAnywhere SmartFlex is here.